The other morning, I wake up, nice beautiful Sunday, warm outside, birds are chirping, and that's all I can hear is beep, beep, beep. The stupid water heater behind me. So didn't think much about it. Go to run the shower. Ice cold water out of the hot. Gotta love that first thing in the morning. So you know when that happens as a homeowner, you're up a creek for the day, right? I don't want you to be up a creek for the day. So this is why I shot this video for you, to get you out of a jam, hopefully. So what happened was, come down here, my Rheem hot water heater has the sensor on it that I'll show you in a minute. There's an alarm going across this LED printout, and it's a A102 alarm. So what the A102 alarm is a water sensing alarm that this little sensor sticking out of this thing senses when the bottom of the water heater decides to let go so it doesn't flood your basement out. But what this little sensor really does is it screws you out of a hot shower for the day if you don't know how to fix it. So coming out of the bottom of this thing is your sensor. So this hangs out in the drip pan. Yeah, I know I gotta hook up the little thing, but if water comes out of the bottom of this and starts to fill the drip pan, it'll sense it with this little sensor here poking into the hot water heater, and it'll send off an alarm and I guess stop hitting the hot water, because that's what happened to me. The problem is that this thing isn't leaking. So I've had this similar problems with water sensors on other things in the house, which we've done videos on, one being my water boiler. So what I had to do is I took the sensor right here, tried to unplug it, waited a minute, plugged it back in, and the alarm was still going off. So I unplugged it again, wiped this whole white piece down. There's like a sensor going down the whole thing. You can see like a little thin rod. It's like a candy cane, and it goes all the way around it, and it plugs right into the thing. There's a tip right there. So I wiped that down with a towel. Now I'm touching it so you can hear the thing going off because of the moisture from my hands probably. Plugged it back in, and that ended up clearing the code. So there's no alarm right now, but it said alarm A102 going across here. So I looked it up on the internet, and according to Rheem, that's what it was. It was this sensor acting up. Good luck, lucky for me that the water heater didn't let go. So I wiped it all down. I don't know, some dust got on it, whatever. So I wiped it all down with the towel, plugged it back in after a minute, and the alarm went away. It cleared out for me. I had also read on the internet that what you could try to do is, if that doesn't fix it, if you unplug this, it might return the water heater back to normal, so that it'll start heating the water up again if it's unplugged. I haven't mucked with it a whole lot. It's not something I've tried, but it's something you can try, you know, if this happens to you, and everything else seems to be fine. So I just wanted to pass this along to you guys so it doesn't ruin your day. If something like this happens and you get your water heater back up and operational again, it doesn't ruin your day. So in a matter of like 15 minutes, I had it working again. It wasn't too big of a deal. But this is the stuff we like to put out there on the channel to kind of help you guys out of a jam. That's what, you know, Homeowners channel is all about. We fix cars, ATVs, stuff around the house. Whatever curveballs life throws you, we're here to help you out. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching.